I don't freeze blueberries anymore. I keep them in a jar, and they last for years as if they had just been picked. I only need healthy, firm blueberries. I will remove rotten and damaged blueberries.
Prvo
I'll
ću
wash
ih
them
oprati.
first. I wash them carefully, without kneading. I need washed and clean jars. I will fill the jars with blueberries, but do not press them. I want the blueberry to stay whole and firm. I don't fill the jar to the top. Now I need citric acid. I add a teaspoon to each jar. Acidity is an important part of safe canning. Fill the jars with water to cover the blueberries. I will wipe the top of the jar so that the lids fit well. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot, and I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. I store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.